Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to use Google Forms for creating quizzes and short tests in Google Classroom. So for that, first we have to sign in with our Gmail account. Here I have signed into my Gmail account. You can see the icon here on the right. To the left of the icon, you can see a dotted grid. Click on the grid and go into a classroom. Here you can see the classroom. Click on that classroom. It will direct you to the classroom. So here I have created a classroom. So grade 5. So click on that. Now here classwork. Click on classwork and here you can see a create button here. So click on that. Then assignment, quiz assignment. You can click on quiz assignment. Then click on blank quiz. You can see blank quiz here. Click on that. Now you can type the quiz here. So before going to start, first I'm going to change the theme of this form. So you can click here, you can customize the theme. So I click there, saying what theme color, what color you want, you can select. So if you want orange or pink color, you can select. If you want another color, you can select. So you whatever, see what color you want, you can select here. Okay, I select a color. Now
Or if you want to choose an image, click here on image, choose image. You can click here, it will direct you to another window here. So here there are so many images. From here you can select one, or if you want to upload from your device, you can click on upload and you can browse your device and you can select an image from your device and select the image, then click open. It will come here. Now you can drag it, so which part you want you can select, then click done. So the image will come on the top like this, and if you want to delete this, you can click here and you can delete it. Okay, now next we are going to start our okay, first we have to select blank use, we have to select a title. So I gave mine short test number 1. When here in the form description you can type your grade or class. Then here the first question you can write here. So before going to type the question, in the first box here untitled question, here we can give your name. So students can write their name here. Then we want to type the question. So on the right you can see a plus icon here. You click on it. Then we can start typing our first question here. What is 4 times 2? And you can give the options here: 6, 8, 10. How many options you want to give, you can give. So I give 4 options here, and now click on answer key and give the correct option. Select the correct answer. Then you can fix the mark here. Then click on done and add another question. Click on the plus icon. Here, this time now I'm selecting an image. So I want to give an image here. I select an image, selecting from my device. I select this image. So the image came here, and you can click on it, and you can, if you want to make it big, if you want to make it small, see, you can drag it and you can resize it, and you can type the question here. Question number 2. Write an equation for this multiplication array. So you can give the options here. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 5 equals 8. 5 times 3 equals 16. 5 times 4 equals 20. Like this, we can give the options. Then add answer key. Click here. You can select the correct answer. Click on it. Then set the mark. Then click on done. Now we want to write another question. Click on the plus icon. Then question number 3. Here I want to give a short answer type. So I will select from here. Here you can see short answer, paragraph, multiple choice. So select short answer. Here I select what are the factors of 11. or you can write all the factors of 11. Now the short answer type, then click on the answer key, fix the mark, it is for 2 marks, and give the answer, correct answer, 1 and 11, then click on done. Yeah. I want to select another question, click on plus icon. So this time now I want to, if you want to type a paragraph question, you can click on the paragraph, then you will have 2-3 lines here to write the answer. So this time I'm taking a file upload question. So here it will come like this. Click on continue. So here I'm giving question number 4. Multiply 456 by 25. So they have to find the answer. They have and show your work on. So here now they can upload their files. For that, allow only specific file types. You have to keep this on the right. Then you can see document, spreadsheet, PDF, presentation. See any type they can upload, and you can decide what is the maximum number of files, 1, 5 or 10, whatever it is, and maximum size of the file you can decide. Then you can click on answer key, then you can select the point. So I click and you can give the answer also, then click on that. So here we have type 4 questions here. Now if you want to if you want to change the order of the questions, you can click on the dotted, click on this 6 dot, and you can drag this wherever you want, you can keep there. Okay, like that you can change the order of the questions. Okay. And if you want to put a title here after these 2 multiple choice questions, if you want to put a title after that, you can click on the title, then you can give the title. Part 2. So your work on. Into the following, show all your work. You can type it and like a title, no, you can do like that. And if you want to make it 2 parts, okay, section A, section B, if you want, you can click here, add section. So I will show you. So from here, after this, okay, if you want to select the, if you want to add section, so you can click on it. So the section here it will come section 2 of 2, and on the top you can see section 1 of 2. So if you don't want to add that, you can remove it. Now, so we want to know how the receiver can view this. So you can select this preview button on this on the right of this paint icon. There is an eye icon. You can click here. And you can get a preview like this. How the students can view the file. So your answer, see name like this. They can view the form. So we have added the section A and section B. So part 1, and after that, so we have to click on next to go to the part 2 questions. Then part 2 questions will come like this. And here the last question, they have option here, add file. So click the add file, then now they can do the work. After that, now take the picture of the work, then they can upload the file here. So if you don't want to add the add section, how it will view for the students? Let us see. So here I remove the add section, so they can view the full question paper like this. Then after doing all the work, they can upload the file, then they can give submit. And here, see, when you write the, when you give the name option, and here when you give the name option here, you can see there is a keyword button you can see, so you can keep it to the right. That means then they have to write their name compulsory. So how it will view here? So it will come like this. There is a star here. So that means without filling this, without completing this, they cannot submit the form. And next, so here go to the settings, the last. So go to the settings, and here you can see collect email address, require sign in, limit to one response. So click here, so they can give only one response. So multiple responses is not allowed. So here enrollment, leave this. Then presentation. If you want to shuffle the question order, you can shuffle the question order for each student. And you can click here then. And now go to QC. Then if you want to give the grade immediately after each submission, you can click here. Or if you don't want, if you want later after manual review, then you can click here. Then first click save. Now our question paper is ready now. So this way we can create questions in Google Forms.